What's up, YouTube, man? It's your boy Fish back with another one. And as I can see by that title, we got a quick day trip to Buc-ee's. Just because I want to go and get a some beef jerky and stuff, you know what I'm saying? You can't go wrong with Buc-ee's, bro. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and let's get into this video. Yes, sir. All right, man. And those of y'all that are not familiar with Buc-ee's, it is basically like a big old gas station. It's like probably one of the biggest gas stations in Texas. I'm pretty sure they got some in like Colorado and like other spots out here. But it's basically just a travel shop. That's really all it is. Like picture a truck stop, but only for cars. Except for this right here is like way bigger than the truck stop, not gonna lie. They got like, you can go in there, you can get like merch in there, you can get like food, obviously. And they have like 40 or 50 different pumps to get gas. It's insane. So I'm currently 12 minutes away. And I was like, you know what? Let me come my camera on. It's been a minute since I've been on that I dropped the vlog. And I just want to say, now that I'm actually heading there, I appreciate y'all for 10K subs. We just hit 10K maybe like 4 or 5 days ago. And the grind, bro, it's been a lovely grind, man. I know by the end of next year, my goal is to hit 100K. So I really appreciate everybody that's a part of my support team. You know what I'm saying? It's only up from here. But I'm gonna see y'all when I get there. I'm like 11 minutes away. All right, and just like that, we are here at the Buc-ee's. Like shit, I was telling y'all, like look how many pumps it is at this Buc-ee's, bro. That's why low key, like when I'm traveling, I always try to go to Buc-ee's because they got literally everything in here. Like it's like legit a grocery store. A grocery store, and then you can buy stuff out of here. That's why I like Buc-ee's. It smells good too. What's going on? Give me a what I come in here get? Oh, let me show you. Right on over here to the brisket sandwiches. There's Buc-ee. Let me see. Sliced brisket. Sliced. It's like an XL.
Brisket on the board! Brisket on the board!
There we go. One of these. Brisket. Alright. Brisket sandwich. Let's get it. Should I get some jerky, bro? Should we get jerky? Let's see. I want some fruit too. Oh, pineapple chunks. Pineapple. I should have got a basket, bro. Hold on, y'all. Yeah, let me get the regular chocolate. Let me get 2. Yeah.
Round of 1. Thank you.
Anything else for you?
That's it. Chocolate fudge, brisket, pineapple chunks. I gotta put this in the car. Let me pay for this real quick. I can check out here or at the restaurant. Okay. Thank you. You too. Alright. So we got all 3 of these. Let me go check out because my hands is already full. Let me go come back in here. Alright, y'all, we got our first items. I gotta go right back in there because like I said, bro, my hands was already full. About to set this down. Get my cart, man. Set this down real quick. Go back in there. Set it right here in my seat. Alright, be right back. Alright. Go in there, get something to drink. And then I think that'll be all for this little Buc-ee's run. Low key. Unless y'all want like a little tour or something. Like, there's so much stuff inside Buc-ee's that you can get. Like, you can't go wrong with Buc-ee's, bro. Legitimately. I don't need no snacks. I really only came here for like, I don't think I got the candy popcorn or something. Let's see. Oh, remember the last time I came here, bro? I had got some chocolate. I had got some chocolate almonds here, and I didn't read it. It said no sugar added, bro. So I was eating no sugar added almond chocolate nuts. That was so terrible. They don't have regular almonds. Milk chocolate. I don't want no raisins. Bro. Milk chocolate raisins. I want milk chocolate.
I be trying not to spend so much money, but it just gets so serious.
Found them. Yeah, buddy. Milk chocolate almonds. Let me get 2 of these because I love these. Yeah. Alright, boom. Got 2 things of milk chocolate almonds. Get us something to drink. Then we can have us a little mukbang in the car, man. Let's go. Good old sweet tea. Yeah. Can I lie, chat? I just spent some money. I just spent like $40 at Buc-ee's, bro. That quick. I went and I got some almonds, like y'all seen. I got that hold on. I got them almond nuts, pineapple chunks, some fudge, sandwich. Boom, boom, boom. And then we got almond. Yes, sir. Mukbang, I ain't gonna lie. I'm gonna be very mad if I spill this on my white shirt because when you spill stuff on your white tees, bro, it is extremely hard to get stuff off. So we're gonna try not to spill this. But chat, I'm talking about chat. I'm so used to like being on live and talking to y'all on live because I've been going live so much. Man, how many of y'all actually been to Buc-ee's that's watching this video? Like, how many of y'all been to Buc-ee's? How many of y'all want to go to Buc-ee's? And yeah, just let me know. Open up this sandwich real quick. Oh, I was about to go live. I'd rather not. Hold on. Let me show y'all this. Yeah. Hold on, flip the camera. Ooh-wee. Ooh. Ooh, ooh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ooh, ooh. Yeah. Hold on. I can't get this on my shirt, bro. Hold on. Let me fix myself. Bruh. I don't know what I was thinking. This right here ain't gonna do it. We gotta grab something else. Hold on, let's just grab this hoodie, bro. Hold on. This crap off. That ain't gonna do it. Hold on. Shit, I'm gonna do this hoodie. So I don't feel like putting the hoodie on. So I probably should, right? We should put the hoodie on, right? I don't feel like putting on this hoodie, bro. We'll do it like this. There we go. Hold on. Ah, duh, fish. Duh. Look. Hold on. I can't. Hoodie on. There we go. Yeah, there we go. Yeah. Talk to him, fish. Yeah. But yeah, man. Oh yeah. How much was this again? It was $12.99. I'm not gonna see that. $12.99 for this. Can't beat it, honestly. Can't beat it. Yeah, buddy. I hope everybody's watching this video. I hope y'all had an amazing Friday. Well, I know I have. I got a lot of stuff done this morning. And it's currently 2 o'clock too. But I got a lot of stuff done today. And then I'm gonna head home. I gotta get all this stuff done because I want to get this video uploaded before like 4 or 5 o'clock. So I don't want to spend all my time sitting here eating. But yeah, man, I'm very grateful for 10K subs, bro. This right here has been like a long journey, man. I started doing my YouTube consistently 3 years ago, not knowing what was next. I just knew I wanted to do YouTube. It had always been my long-term goal to be a YouTuber, a content creator, and I feel like I'm finally living in it. So I'm just more than grateful, man. Especially for everybody that been tuning in and y'all been seeing me from like day one. Like, especially y'all that been here before trucking content. Cause some of y'all are starting to come in new, but the OGs before trucking content, I rock with y'all, man. Whew. But I'm probably gonna go live real quick for like 15 minutes, and then I'm gonna get off. So if you're using it live, you know what's going on, what's gonna happen after this. If not, oh well. All right, we just finished our brisket sandwich. Now we got the almond chocolate. Try one of these real quick. Yep. All right. We didn't leave. We just left Buc-ee's, and I'm kind of mad at myself because I just dropped my camera on the floor. So like, it's not even recording. It's not even recording right now. It's messing up and all that type of stuff. I just hope I didn't break it. But yeah, man, this right here wasn't no long crazy vlog. I just want to give y'all a quick one. Just for the simple fact that I have not been uploading every day like I normally would. But come December, we're gonna be back on our daily uploads. It is raining. Oh wow. Now it wants to rain all of a sudden. This sucks. Another thing too that I didn't even tell y'all, bro. This route that I'm on right now, this is the same exact route that I was taking when I was a truck driver. And the traffic is horrible this way, like terrible. Like, bro. I don't even think I can see all this traffic. I'm probably gonna insert the clip. There's just nothing but traffic out here. It's crazy. Woo. Man. I'm being charged for the next 13 miles. That's insane. But to be fair, it is rush hour time, so everybody getting out of school, people getting off work, people going to pick up their kids. So I'm not surprised. All right, man, and that right there is gonna complete today's video. I'm back at home. I'm about to get ready to edit this video and drop it for y'all so that y'all can have something to watch. Again, appreciate everybody that been subscribing and showing love. The goal right now for the end of this year is to at least hit 15K. If I get 15K subs or at least 20K, that right there would be amazing. I'm gonna have more videos coming for y'all. But if y'all like this for sure, I can give y'all way more vlogs like this where I'm like giving y'all like a little POV footage, a little bit of everything in one video. And yeah. So with that being said, I love everybody. I'll see y'all on the next one. Your boy Fish is out. Peace.
AJ keep telling me unleash the beast who been dormant inside, but they come with intensity. V3 said I know you silent, but they can't out rap you. That's why they keep trying to get rid of me. These niggas not in my range, they'll never come close. They can't get near my proximity. They love the